Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. Two noob developers are trying to make a game, but the result is shocking. Do you think they can make it? Then keep watching till the end.
Alright everyone, I managed to take the role of a scripter. If you don't remember me guys, it's me Joe. The other developer decided to build. So for my first script, I added a leader stats. So basically we are making a cooking game. All you have to do is just cook burgers and you gain cash. Then I started working on the cash display. To win time, I helped with the food design. It was easy. This is the result of the food. It looks delicious. Now for the final script, I'll make the food placement. And I'll also make it so once you place the top and bottom bread, you gain cash. After fixing a lot of bugs and trying, I managed to make it. And this is how it looks like. Once you place a bottom and a top part, you gain cash. I will leave a link for my friend's video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.